Loose guitar pickup complaint. I recently received a complaint from a buyer saying the guitar's pickup was loose. Honestly, I didn't check that part in detail before shipping it, because to me, the guitar already played really well. But it turned out to be true. When I inspected it again, I found that the pickup height adjustment didn't have any springs, causing the pickup to wobble. So, I decided to fix it right away. First, I sprayed the screws with rust, penetrant so they would loosen easily without damaging the threads. Then I removed the screws one by one, slowly and carefully, to keep the pickup housing from becoming even more unstable. After that, I removed the pickup from the guitar. I took out the center screw and replaced the missing spring using a spare part I happened to have. There was something funny too. The previous owner had actually installed the pickup the wrong way around, making it tilt awkwardly. So I flipped it back to the correct position. Reassembled everything and tightened the screws properly. And done.